Hello everyone, in this video series we will learn about SQL. These are the topics of our present lecture. First of all, what is a database? A database is a place to store data in an organized way. When we write a query to computer, then a database management system will ask the database to give the data and we will get the output. There are two categories of databases, SQL and non-SQL. SQL databases require predefined schemas, means these are tabular structures which are predefined, which we also call that they are relational databases. Example of SQL databases is MySQL database, Oracle database, and many other. Non-SQL databases are non-relational databases, means their structure are not in the tabular form, they can be in the document form and many other forms. They are horizontally scaling, means they can be horizontally scaled. They can be they can be on more than one machines, and data is stored in more than one machines, and we require to use different queries to fetch that data. And their schema are also dynamic, means their schema can change with the change of time. But in relational databases, schema cannot change. If we change the schema, we need to transfer the data to the new table. An example of non-SQL database is MongoDB. So SQL queries have a specific structure in which we wrote them, but their order of execution of these structure is different from in the way they are written. Like we know that SQL queries are written from select from where, but during execution the first step that is executed is from, like first of all database find the table, then it uh, filter the table based on various where conditions, and then it group by the filtered data, and after that it aggregate the data using having. Then the particular columns are selected, and in the end they are ordered by using the ordered by clause. Different databases have different data models. In this example, we can see that data are in different tables which are connected to each other using foreign keys and primary keys, which we will learn more about in next chapters. Thank you.